It's me, Mikey Pipes, with Peter. Say hi, Mom. Today is Tuesday, September 13th, 2022. We are on our way to our second service call of the day. A potential recall. A potential recall. A few months ago, we replaced the first floor air conditioning system at this residential home in Woodmere. We installed a Bosch IDS 2.0. I got a text this morning from the homeowner. He goes, Mikey Pipes, the system appears to have no power and all the breakers are on. I'm like, I got you, bro, I got you. So let's go see what's going on, guys and ladies. Smash that thumbs up button in advance. Do it now. Peter, you think they're gonna remember this? My long-term viewers, all 46,000 subscribers. Think they're gonna remember this job?
I think so.
I think they will. I remember it vividly. It's this job. There's your first floor. Here's your second floor. Look how quiet that is, by the way. And you really can't tell because of the frame speed of the iPhone, but look at that. I even changed it to HD. Look at that. And look at that beautiful, beautiful raised dome sticker right there. I get my raised dome stickers from Armored Decal. They're in Ontario, Canada, and their information is in the description box down below. Show support for a small business. Wish they were American, but they're our neighbors to the north, so we'll show them some love. So we know this is the second floor. That's the first floor. All right, let's go gain entry. You know what's even nice? Look at this, the staircase. Look at that. That is tits. Beautiful kitchen too. All right, so here's the thermostat, and no bueno. Nothing. What do you think is wrong? Okay. We have condensate in our condensate pan. This was different. This got moved around a lot. That one's dry. That's the second floor. This is the first floor. All right, Peter. We're gonna have to start with the shop vac, right? And we're gonna just suck some water out. Get the shop vac and get a 5-gallon bucket and a towel too. We're gonna suck out this water. Interesting. All right, let's just take a peek in here. A lot of cocky in there for being a year old. Let's see what happens when we open this one up. A lot of cocky. We're gonna have to take the covers off and take a peek inside here and dry it out. But that's why we put in the emergency float switches. See? And it looks like I think someone was playing with this, to be honest with you. I think someone was playing with this because that was just resting in there. No bueno. All right. Bosch. Love Bosch. Bosch. All right, I think we have a good candidate here for just redoing this condensate. When we replaced these two systems, he didn't want me to reroute, the condensate from both systems. He goes, listen, use existing, and I think we're gonna redo it now because I just don't like it. I don't like it at all. It looks pretty, looks pretty hacked together. You see a beautiful Bosch. Yeah, there's a lot of crap and debris up here. Look at all this crap. Look at this. It's like a junkyard. Look at that. All this junk up here. So I'm gonna clean this up. Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. Okay. See that? Right there. Okay. We're gonna come out now. I don't think. Let's see something here. Let's see. We're gonna bring this across, put a coupling here, extend this out so we have less pitch. Come over here, and then we'll put 2 T's here, and then we're gonna come across here, right? We'll clean this up. We'll clean this up a little bit. We'll be able to reuse the trap. Come across and have 2 T's here, and at least it'll look better than it is now. And I'll call it like it is. This looks horrible, but this is what we were working with. So now that there's a problem, which is inevitable, now we're gonna take care of it. All right, we're gonna start sucking water out of here. What, nothing sucking out of it? Suck a little. There you go. Let's suck. It's gonna be here a while. A lot of water there. That's a lot of water. I am not a happy camper right now. No, look. Corn. My hose is corn. I'm holding it like that for right now. Oh, and I got a little 5-gallon bucket here so I can dump this little bad boy as we go along. Making progress. I'm making progress. Ain't that right? Yep. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. All right. Let's see how bad this crap is. Not that bad, actually. Or shall I say it is actually that bad? Oh, look at that. It's gross. Oh, looks like a turd. Oh, God. Oh, what is all this crap? Oh, look at this. What is this crap? Oh my God. Literally, it's cocky. Oh. Oh, God, I need some Lysol and some bleach. Oh. Thinking about where all this cocky's coming from? Look how filthy that filter is. And you wonder why there's cocky in the pipe. All right, we have to run to the shop, but right now Peter is taking off the cover, exposing the evaporator coil. I already reran the line for the second floor. We're gonna secure the blocking with some screws and some 3/4 inch pipe clamps there and there. I extended that line, put some more pitch. Decreased the amount of pitch. And right now I'm contemplating handling this. I'm gonna put that off to the side. And we're gonna take a look inside the evaporator pan. And we're gonna use the Viper pan and drain treatment spray. All right, good stuff. Thanks to Refrigeration Technologies for sending this to us. Really appreciate it. So the benefits here are the Viper pan and drain treatment is a triple action gel that effortlessly cleans, deodorizes, and protects. The slow dissolving silicone detergent gel contains digestive enzymes. Enzymes, Peter. Yes. Right, it's like biological stuff here, right? So make sure we turn off the equipment, make sure we spray the entire pan and bottom rows of the evaporator coil with gel treatment. Tip, blow out drain if clogged. And no shit, Sherlock. There's no waiting required, no rinsing. And in food processing areas, remove or protect all food packaging materials. Rinse with potable water after contact with food, blah, blah, blah. All done. Service every 3 months. Okay, here you go. You heard what it said. Spray the entire evaporator pan and the bottom row of the coil. Yeah, helps turn it on. There you go. Get the whole pan. Soak the whole pan and make sure you get the bottom row of the evaporator coil. All right, let me show you what I did. Okay, on this first floor system, I ripped it all out. And you know what? You would have spent, I don't know, maybe several $100 rerouting this, not into the sanitary venting that's here, whatever, and he didn't want to, I don't get it, he didn't want to spend doing it then when you're spending top dollar for this, but nonetheless, to facilitate future evaporator coil access, I extended the trap out, right? And also the trap was resting right on top of the plywood right there, and it was slightly elevated a little bit, so I didn't like that. So we extended it 2 nipples with the union in the middle. That way I could separate this for future servicing. I have a new trap. I come across here, right, with nice pitch, about a 1/4 inch per foot. So we have a nice pitch right there. And then I elbow down into a T, and as you can see, I got a little sloppy with the purple primer, but it's all primed in. This is my limitation right there. So I wasn't going crazy. I wasn't reinventing the wheel here, so I still have that 3/4 limitation. So I wasn't going to upgrade this to 1 inch, and I could have, but I didn't, and I don't stock 1 inch anyway. So here's your 2-inch PVC, CPVC T, right? It's a full T. It's here, it's existing. We have a 2 by 3/4 inch PVC by female reducing bushing. And then from here, this is the existing. I cut there, I extended this here with the T to pick up the first air handler. And then I came across, again, with some nice pitch. We're gonna put a 3/4 inch pipe strap here, and a pipe strap there. This is the old trap. We're gonna throw this out. I just got it balanced perfectly so no water leaks out. That system is running. We're gonna put the cap back on there. And as you can see, we treated the bottom of the evaporator and the drain pan with the Refrigeration Technologies Viper pan and drain treatment. Thank you so much, Refrigeration Technologies, for sending this to us. Really appreciate it. And we're gonna see if it outperforms tablets or strips like my company's been using for about a decade. So special shout out. Thank you, Refrigeration Technologies. Good stuff. You can get this stuff at supplyhouse.com or your other favorite local HVAC distributor. All right, just about done here. As you can see, I got a strap here, a strap there, a strap here. I think I'm going to invest in 3/4 inch split ring hangers and attach that to threaded rod with that flat plate. That way I could brace higher elevated pipes. I think it would look better. You know, as opposed to that job we saw in South Carolina where they had band iron, like they had a sale on band iron. But I think when you have just, you know, just the right amount of elevation, I think it's a good way. Split ring hanger, 3/4, a little bit of 3/8 threaded rod with that flat plate, and secure that, you know, to your ceiling joists, or the floor, or maybe even the ceiling, depends on the elevation. But I think that will look better. But I think this is a night and day improvement. We cleaned up a lot of other debris that was here. You know, even saw the strap-on Aquastat that was sitting there in the beginning of the video, and all the wires and just nasty stuff. So we cleaned it up, did the best we can amongst the octopus of flex. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.